ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। श्रीशङ्कराचार्यनवावतारं विश्वेश्वरं विश्वगुरुं प्रणम्य वेदान्तशास्त्रश्रवणालसानां बोधाय कुर्वे कमपि प्रबन्धम्। न भूमेर्न तोयं न तेजो न वायुर्न खन्नेन्द्रियं वा न तेषां समूहः। अनैकान्तिकत्वात् सुषुप्त्येकसिद्धस्तदेको वसिष्ठः शिवः केवलोऽहम्। प्रतिबिंब of Atma available in Chaitanya, in mind. This is the discussion, and on that we saw some Shruti quotations, then Shrutyarthapatti or Shrutyartha Anyatha Anupapatti, and some Brahma Sutra quotations. So in this, in Nyaya Ratnavali, there is a beautiful point made. Tat srishtva tadevanupravishat. This Shruti talks about entry of Paramatma in the creation. Tat srishtva, so having created, it entered. Whereas स एष इह प्रविष्टः आनखाग्रेभ्यः और स एतमेव सीमानं विदार्य तया द्वारा प्रापद्यत. These two Shruti, there is some difference, because this tat srishtva tadevanupravishat tadanupravishya satchatyaccha bhavat niruktancha niruktancha nilayanamcha nilayanamcha Vijnanam cha vijnanam cha satyam cha nritam cha satyam abhavat. So in that, what is sat and tyat, niruktam aniruktam, nilayanam anilayanam, vijnanam avijnanam, everything Paramatma entered and it became all. That is that Shruti from Taittiriya. So there you may think, one may think that Paramatma has entered into living beings and non-living beings also. If Paramatma has entered in non-living beings also, then Chit Pratibimba should be available there also. But it is not available. So there it is only Sat Pratibimba. The existence is available, existence aspect. But the other Shruti which says Anakhagrebhya, up to the nails. So the nail, tip of the nail, up to that point Paramatma has entered. So nails are only for living beings. And through Lakshana, like mosquitoes, etc., or cockroach may not have nails, but there also Paramatma has entered. And Atsaha etameva simanam vidarya, breaking the skull. So there also in living beings Paramatma has entered. So tat srishtva tadevanupravishat, in that ghata, pata, all are, everything is included. But here For Pratibimba, Chit Pratibimba, you can use the other Shrutis, and the Tadevanu Pravishata Taittiriya Shruti is to show Atma has entered, not only Chaitanya. This is how you can see the slight difference. Now we are going to see the elaboration little bit on the Abhasa. So in Nyaya Ratnavali, they have quoted Bhashya itself. Abhasa evacha, that Brahma Sutra, he says, Abhasa evacha, eshaha jivaha parasya atmano jala suryakadivat. This is also another point that we have to note, that he has quoted Bhashya as is, Bhashyoktaha, and he is giving Bhashya. So sometimes they write the Bhashya Shabdataha, and sometimes they write the Bhashya means Bhagavan Bhashyakar's words or any other Acharya's words Shabdataha, and sometimes they write Arthataha. Shabdata means as those words are and sentences are same are reproduced, and Arthata means meaning is same. The Shabda Rachana, the construction and all can differ. Abhasa evacha esha jivaha parasya atmano abhasa. This jiva is of Paramatma abhasa. Jala suryakadivat pratipattavyaha is like the, if you have Nyaya Ratnavali, then you see page 158. In my book it is 158, but I don't know where it will be in your book. Same page. Oh, 158. So, in the middle, Jala Suryakadivat Pratipattavyaha. Na sa eva sakshat. Na sa eva sakshat means Saha Jivaha na sakshat Paramatma. But, so if somebody will ask, okay, is Jiva different? Na pi Vastvantaram, not different also. So, is Jivatma same as Paramatma? No. Is Jivatma different from Paramatma? No. So, what is Jiva? Jiva is Anirvachaniya, Abhasa. Tatasya yatha na ekasmin jala surya ke kampamane jula surya kantaram kampate evam ekaikasmin jive karma phala sambandhini jivantarasya na tat phala sambandha iti. So, just as if the reflection of sun is moving in one bucket of water, one pot of water, then reflection in another pot is not affected because each has different karma phala. And therefore, really, one pratibimba is not connected to another pratibimba. This Siddhanta, if we understand, many times people ask, Swamiji, you are talking about all this Vedanta. Vedanta tells us to have more and more Vairagya. How people can say that we have to live in family, we have to take care of society, and whether you are in ashram or at home, you will have to do some seva, you will have to take care of people around you, etc. And then you also say this Vairagya you should have. So how to do this? How to put the two together? So this is a beautiful Siddhanta comes out from this. And this is where Mananam, will help. And what is that? That a Pratibimba is not connected to another Pratibimba directly. But all Pratibimbas are connected to Bimba. So Pratibimba Sambandha is not there. Pratibimba is connected to Bimba. Through that Bimba, all other Pratibimbas are connected. So when I see that I have Sambandha with somebody else, it is not direct Sambandha. My Sambandha with somebody else is because I am also connected to Bimba and they are also connected to Bimba. And therefore, if I have to serve them, I have to take care of them, I have to love them, I should. But no, if they are not connected to Bimba, then you can forget it. So, the main relation is of pratibimba with bimba. If I connect myself to bimba, then all is well. Otherwise, all is in the well. जल सूर्य के कंपमाने जल सूर्याकांतरम न कंपते एवं एकैकस्मिन् जीवे कर्मफल संबंधिनी जीवांतरस्य न तत्फल संबंध इति. अप टू दिस वाज भाष्य. एंड अतएव च उपमा सूर्यकादिवद इति. दिस इज नेक्स्ट सूत्र in Brahma Sutra, and you see how he has given here. तृतीय अध्याय द्वितीय पादस्थ सूत्रस्य अयम भाष्योक्त अर्थः. Here he doesn't say it is bhashyokta, he says bhashyokta artha. So it looks like here in meaning he has quoted, not as is probably. यत एकोऽयम् आत्मा निर्विशेष चिद्रूपो नेति नेति इत्यादि श्रुति प्रमितः. एकोऽयम् आत्मा, this one atma, निर्विशेष चिद्रूप, the one which is without any visheshas and Chaitanya Swarupa, which is revealed by Shruti, Shruti Pramitaha as Neti, Neti Ityadi. Ataeva aparamarthikim Visheshvattam Abhipretya Jala Pratibimbita Suryavat iti Upama Upadiyate. And therefore, aparamarthikim Visheshvattam Abhipretya. Jala pratibimba, which is aparamarthika, where there is vishesha. So, visheshavattam means visheshavatva. So, its second case will be in bhava, two types of pratyas are there. One is tva and another is tal. So, this in strilinga it will become visheshavata. So, visheshavattam, that visheshavatva abhipretya jala pratibimbita suryavat iti upama adiyate. It is given this kind of upama. What? That this is jala pratibimbita surya. Yatha hi eko jyoti hi atma. Now drishtanta is given. So this shloka, come back to your tika. Yatha is shloka is given, second line from the bottom on your page 24 tika. Yatha hyayam jyotiratma vivasvanapo bhinna baudhaiko nugachan upadhina kriyate bheda rupo deva kshetre shvevamajo yamatma iti shrutihi. Yatha, just as he ayam jyotiratma, this Chaitanya Swarupa Atma, which is like Vivaswan, Surya. Apo bhinna bahudha eko nugachan. Ekaha, it is one, but apaha, so because of water, apsu, this shabda, apaha, apaha is dvitiya bahuvachanam, ap shabda. Apo bhinna bahudha eko nugachan. So in water it becomes many, appears as many, but one alone. One alone bahudha anugachan. Upadina kriyate bheda rupaha. In the same way, in Atma also, because of Upadhi, Bheda Rupaha Kriyate Devaha Kshetreshu Evam Ajoyam Atma. In the same way. So, in the first line, first quarter, Jyotir Atma means their Atma you can take it as Swarupa. And in the second line, Ajoyam Atma, their Atma means Aham, Chaitanya. So, this Aham Atma in Kshetra Upadhi, even though Ajaha appears as many and varied, like each of them appear to be different, each jiva. So, Bheda Rupo Devaha, Ayam Atma, Ajaha, Kshetreshu. Yatha Ayam, that is explained now, Yatha Ayam Jyotirmayaha Suryaha Swataha, Ekopi Ghatadi Bhedena Bhinno. Even though one but ghatadi bhedena bhinno apo anugachan. Apaha, so following the waters. Apo anugachan, following the water, bahudha kriyate. Because many waters are there, therefore many suns appear. Evam, in the same way, ajoyam atma devaha swaprakashaha, this ayam atma, ajaha, unborn, devaha swaprakasha, self-luminous, eko api upadhina maya, even though one, because of maya upadhi, kshetreshu anugachan, bhed rupo bhati, in all kshetra, bhed rupo bhati, following them, following kshetra. That's why Bhagavan had to remind, kshetrajnam chapi mam viddhi, sarva kshetreshu bharata. In all kshetras, I am one kshetrajna. Iti shrutyarthaha. So that is some shruti. Now we do not know what is the source of that shruti, because it's not there in any of these 10 main Upanishads. Must be some minor Upanishad. And now Yajnavalkya Smriti api Akasham ekam hi yatha ghatadishu prithak bhavet tathatmaiko hyanekascha jaladhareshvivam shuman. So Yajnavalkya Smriti is given Akasham ekam hi yatha. So Ghatakasha, here Ghatakasha Drashtanta is given. In the previous one Pratibimba Drashtanta was given. Just as one Akasha, Mahakasha, Ghatadishu Prathak Bhavet. In pots it becomes many and varied. Tatha Atma Eko Hi Anekasha Jaladhareshu Iva Amshuman. Tatha Eko Atma, one Atma, Anekasha, it becomes many. So Eka, being one, it appears as many. How? Like Amshuman Jaladhareshu. So this Smriti has both Avachedavada and Pratibimbavada. The Akasha Drashtanta is Avacheda. You have to remember, in that Akasha Drashtanta there is no Pratibimba. In Surya Drashtanta or in Chandrama Drashtanta, there is Pratibimba in water. You can use this Drashtanta that in Ghata there is Jalam and in Jalam there is Akasha Pratibimba. You can use Akasha as Pratibimba. Still it will be Pratibimba Drashtanta. But if you don't bring in water and if you just say Ghata and Akasha, then it will be Avachedavada. So in Mandukya Karika, in Advaita Prakarana, from 3rd Karika to 9th Karika, in all these Karikas, Gaudapadacharyaji uses only this, Ghata and Akasha Drashtanta. If you have studied and if you remember, so Maharaji had covered Mandukya completely also, and then again in Ashtadashana, during that time also, Mandukya was taken. So there, Mandukya in Karika, 3rd chapter, only this Drashtanta is taken. So Pratibimba is not taken there. Avacheda is taken. But depending upon what is required to establish at that time, they use that example. So this Smriti, Yatha ekam eva akasham ghatadi bhedena bhinnam eva anubhuyate tathacha Surya ekopi yathacha. So both examples are there. First is akasham ghatadi bhedena bhinnam. Second is Suryo ekopi भिन्नेषु जलपात्रेषु भिन्न इव अनुभूयते तथा एको अपि आत्मा अंतःकरण उपाधि भेदेन भिन्न इव प्रतीयते इत्यर्थः. एक आत्मा अंतःकरण उपाधि भेदेन भिन्न इव, as though it is distinct, separate. मूलम 25 second line. मूलम तस्य च प्रतिबिंबस्य सत्यत्वमेव इति प्रतिबिंबवादिनः. मिथ्यात्वमेव इति आभासवादिनः. So now Pratibhimbavada, Abhasavada, they both are presented. Avachedvada is not taken because what we are trying to prove here is that Chaitanya has Pratibimba in Antakarana and therefore Antakarana has Pramatratva. So to explain that, this is the main thing. See Tika. This is a beautiful point. You should dwell on this. How, what is the difference between Pratibhimbavada and Abhasavada? Okay, they are given here. तस्य च इति विवरणकाराः संक्षेपशारीरककाराश्च प्रतिबिंबवादिनः. विवरणकार means स्वयं प्रकाशयति only. Or Prakashatma Muni. I always get mixed up between Swayam Prakasha and Prakashatman. Their names are so similar. It is just like some Swamis. We have one Swami, his name is Prakashananda, and another Swami, his name is Prakarshananda. And when we have to send email, Prakashananda and Prakarshananda almost looks the same. And then there is one Sharanananda and Sharadananda. Their names also in email, they just look the same. So if you are not careful, you want to send it to one, it will go to another person. Vivaranakaraha and Sankshep Sharirakara is Sarvajñatma Muni. They are followers of Pratibhimbavada. What is that? You see, Jivascha Pratibimba Rupa iti tesham matam. Jiva is Pratibimba Rupa. This is their matam. Loke darpanadi swachha padartha sannidhane. In the darpana, etc., which is the swachha padartha, in their proximity, sannidhanam here means in its proximity, mukhadikam dharmi bhutam bimbam eva anyattvena darpanadi antargatattvena cha iti dharmadvayena kevalam avabhasate. Natu vastutah tad anyad napi darpanadistham. So what is Vivarankar matam? That this Pratibimba, Jiva, is actually Bimba only. There is no separate thing called Pratibimba. This is Pratibhimbavada. In short, you have to explain what is Pratibhimbavada. There is no separate thing called Pratibimba. This is Pratibhimbavada. Actually, it will become Bimbavada only then. What is Pratibimba? Bimbam eva anyatvena. Bimba alone is appearing as other. I am standing on this side, mirror is there in front, as if I am appearing as different there. And darpanadi antargatatvena cha. As though I have entered there inside the mirror. I am here. So iti dharmadvayana, these two dharmas. In the dharmi, these two dharmas are additional now. Why? Because of the presence of darpana, which is swachha padartha. So bimbam alone appears as pratibhimbam and it appears as darpanadi antargatam, as though it has entered in the darpana. Antargatatvena cha iti dharmadvayena kevalam avabhasate. Kevalam bimbam. Bimbam eva kevalam avabhasate. Bimba alone is appearing like this with two these new things. Natu vastutaha tad anyan napi darpanadistham. Vastutah pratibimba is not anya. Vastutah pratibimba is also not, means bimba has not entered into darpana to become pratibimba. Clear this much? तथा च न प्रतिबिंबस्य बिंबापेक्षया पृथक अस्तित्वम. This is the most important, actually this is their fundamental thing. Pratibimba according with respect to bimba is not separate. Pratibimbasya bimbapekshaya prithak astitvam na. Pratibimba has no separate existence. See, Vivranakara did not even accept a reality of Pratibimba. An existence also. It doesn't have separate existence. Napi tasya mithyatvam. And it is not mithya. How it is not mithya? Bimba rupena satyatvat. Pratibimba is satyam in Pratibimbavada. How? Bimba rupena. What does this mean? You know, these things we should understand that Pratibimba is not mithya, but it is bimba rupena satyam. So, simple example you can take this, that reflection of sun in the mirror or in the water is, as sun it is satyam. And there is no such thing called reflection as an independent entity. So, these two ideas, what are these ideas? That original appearing as anyam, bimba appearing as anyam, and darpanantargatam. These two create the notion that there is a pratibimba. Means Brahman alone is, because of the antakarana upadhi, is getting the notion that there is jiva. And that I am jiva, I am different. So, because they have not accepted jiva's separate satta, Vivranakara and Sankshepa Sharirakara, therefore, they don't accept that avidya ashraya can be jiva. Because they say jiva, there is no such thing called jiva. Jiva naam ki koi cheez hi nahi hai. They say it is satyam. Pratibimba is satyam. In which way? Bimba rupena satyam. And bimbasya pratibimbasya bimba apekshaya na prithak astitvam. Pratibimba has no separate existence compared to or with respect to bimba. So these things, if somebody wants to study more, you know, they are all given in Siddhanta Lesha Sangraha. Means not that there is elaboration, but all these so many scattered ideas are there in different darshanas. They all are put together by this Siddhanta Lesha Sangrahakara. Sangraha means collection. So he has, and Siddhanta means all different Siddhanta, their leshas, their parts, their bits are put together. And he will go on saying this, that somebody says like this, somebody says like this, somebody says like. So there will be apare, anye, kechit, like that. Kechit means some people say this way. Apare, other people say this way. Anye, some other people say some other way. Like that, varieties are there. All Siddhantas. Now, in this mata, let us move forward a little, then we will see if there is some discussion. अस्मिन् मते दर्पणादेः ईदृशी शक्तिः यत् स दर्पणादिः सत्ये बिम्बे एव अन्यत् कल्पन पूर्वकं स्वान्तर्गतत्वमात्रं कल्पयति. In this mata, अस्मिन् मते, darpanadehe idrishi shakti. In this darpana etc., they have this shakti, because of which saha darpanadihi satye bimba eva anyat kalpana purvakam swantargatatvamatram kalpayati. This darpanadi, what do? Bimba alone, it gives kalpana as it is something else. Bimbe nahi, bimba. Bimba eva anyatva kalpana purvakam. In bimba alone there is anyatva kalpana and swantargatatva matram kalpayati. Swantar swa shabda is for darpana. As if this bimba is now in darpana. So, how we make use of this pratibimba? This is our day-to-day life, right? We make use of pratibimba. How? Even when we see darpana, stha pratibimba, in that mirror we see the pratibimba, that thing is anya. That bhava we eliminate. Means what I am seeing is not completely different. So here if there is Swami Ramananda, then in that mirror there is no Swami Krishnananda. It is also Swami Ramananda only. So it is not different entity. And this darpanadi antargatatvam means that it appears in darpana because of the attributes of darpana, as if I feel. So if darpana is 2 dimension only, flat, so I think I have also become 2 dimensional, but I don't think like that, because I know that 2 dimension thing is the attribute of the mirror. So I intellectually remove that, and I recognize what I have to recognize, that I am not there, I am here. I am not 2 dimensional, I am 3 dimensional, and I am standing on this side. So this is Pratibimbavada. So from Pratibimba, if I am able to remove all those ideas that mirror has added, the dharmas that mirrors have added, if I am able to remove them, then I am always interacting with Bimba only. I am never interacting with Pratibimba. You understood the main point here? If I am able to remove those ideas which are superimposed by the mirror, because of which Bimba appears as Pratibimba. So, in this philosophy, in Pratibimbavada, because they are saying Pratibimba is not having Prathak Satta, and Pratibimba is Bimba Rupena Satyam. As Bimba means as long as in Pratibimba you recognize Bimba without the added attributes of Darpana, it is Satyam. It is not Mithya. And it is Bimbam. So if I can do this while interacting with Pratibimba, eliminating all those things that Antakarana has added, all limitations are because of Antakarana. For example, Chaitanya is Sarvagnya or Alpagnya? Chaitanya is Sarvagnya. Chaitanya without Upadhi is Sarvagnya. Sarvagnya means not Sarvam Janati, but at least it is Sarvam and it is Jnana Swarupa. Sarvaschaso Gnyascha, Karmadharaya Samas. So, Chaitanya means Sarvam and Chaitanya means Jna, right? But when it has Antakarana Upadhi, then it is not Sarvam. So then there is the idea of Alpam, Alpagnatva in Pratibimba. Or you take it this way, Chaitanya is Sarvavyapi, right? And in Pratibimba, do I feel I am Sarvavyapi? So, why I don't feel I am not Sarvavyapi in Pratibimba? Because Antakarana. So, that Antakarana tells me I am not Sarvavyapi. Antakarana tells me I am not Sarvagnya, I am Alpagnya. So, Alpagnya, Alpashakti, Alpavyapi, all this has been added because of Upadhi. Then impurity because of Upadhi. Birth and death because of Upadhi. Vikara because of Upadhi. Avasthatrayavan because of Upadhi. So all these things are because of mirror. So as long as in my understanding I know this, and while I think of reflection, I immediately remove whatever the mirror has brought in and not get affected by presence of mirror. That is called Jivan Mukti. If I get affected by what mirror is showing, then I have given reality to mirror and Pratibimba. So Darpana Shakti, and because of that, whatever reflection is seen, everything gets Satyatva. That is the error. So if we are able to eliminate them, then this Siddhanta says, then Pratibimba is actually Bimba alone. So like in Brahadaranyaka Upanishad, when it is said, Brahma alone got confused, then Brahman alone gets knowledge. Generally how people think, Jiva is the confused entity, Jiva gets the knowledge, then Jiva understands, I am not Jiva, I am Brahman. Then you question, how did Jiva come? You say Jiva is reflection of Brahman. In other words, Brahman alone is thinking. So in Pratibimbavada, Brahman alone thinks I am Jiva. Then he struggles. Then he has to get knowledge. Okay. So, Asmin Mate Darpanadehe Idrishi Shaktir Yat Sa Darpanadihi Satye Bimba Eva Anyatva Kalpana Purvakam. Bimba alone with Anyatva Kalpana and Swantargatatva Matram Kalpayati. That it is there inside the Darpana. Satya Shankhe. When the Shankha is there, Pittam Iva Pitiman. It is like it has become yellow because of the pitta. So really Shankha doesn't become yellow. It only appears yellow. Like that, I have not become Alpajna. I have not become Alpavyapi. I, Brahma Chaitanya, has not become Jiva. Only I get the notion. Jiva means I have not become limited. So, or samsari. In one word, if you want to explain, I have really not become samsari. Just as the conch has not become yellow. Only because in the eyes there is pittam. In the conch also that pitima is experienced. This is Pratibimbavada. Next is Vartikakar Matam, Abhasavada. Mithyatvam eva iti Abhasavadinaha. So Pratibimbavada says Pratibimba is Satyam. But remember, Pratibimba is Satyam means Pratibimba is Satyam as Bimba, where Pratibimba has no Satta of its own. So Pratibimba as Bimba is Satyam. And Mithyatvam eva iti Abhasavadina. Abhasavadin they say Pratibimba is Mithya. So Pratibimba is Mithya when they say Pratibimba as Pratibimba is Mithya. See Tika. Vartikakara Abhasavadinaha. Vartikakara Sureshwaracharya ji, he is Abhasavadin. Now what is the difference? He says Jivaha Chidabhasasya Rupaha. Jiva is Chid Abhasa. So that sutra we saw in Brahma Sutra, Abhasa is there. Jivaha Chid Abhasa. Rupa iti tesham matam. This is his matam. Loke Bimba Bhuta Mukhadi Apekshaya Darpanadau Drishyamanam Pratibimba Bhutam Mukhadikam Bimba Sadrisham Anyadeva. In the world, in the mirror, what is seen, Bimba Bhuta Mukhadi Apekshaya, compared to Bimba Bhuta Mukha, Drishyamanam Pratibimba Bhutam Mukhadikam, the Pratibimba Bhuta Mukha that is experienced there, Bimba Sadrisham Anyadeva, it is like Bimba and it is different, Anyadeva. Tacha Mithya Bhutam, and that reflection is Mithya only, Tacha Mithya Bhutam. Pratibhasika Sarpavad Anirvachaniyam Samutpadyate. Pratibhasika. So this Jiva or Chidabhasa is a Pratibhasika entity according to Abhasavada. See, there in Pratibimbavada, what did he say? It is Satyam. As Bimba, it is Satyam. Pratibimba as Bimba is Satyam. Abhasavada, what is said? It is Mithyabhutam. How? Pratibhasika Sarpavad Anirvachaniyam. This Jivatva or this Chidabhasa is like a snake. Anirvachaniya. Samutpadyate. It appears. So just as in Rajju, there is Utpatti of Sarpa, in Shuddha Chaitanya, there is Chidabhasa Utpatti. And it is just as Rajju Sarpa is Mithya, Chidabhasa also is Mithya, Anirvachaniya. Asmin Mate, and in this Mata, Darpanadehe Idrishi Shakti. See, in the previous one also, Asmin Mate Darpanadehe Idrishi Shakti. Here also Asmin Mate Darpanadehe Idrishi Shakti. Yatsa Darpanadi Bimba Sadrisham Anyat Swantargatam Pratibimbam Kalpayati iti tadashaya. In the previous one, what was said? Darpanadi Satye Bimba Eva Anyatva Kalpana Purvakam Swantargatatva Matram Kalpayati. Only thing is Swantargatatva Matra. Here in the Darpanadi Shakti is Bimba Sadrisham Anyat. There it was Bimba Eva, not Bimba Sadrisham Anyat. Bimba Eva Anyatva Kalpana Purvakam. Here Bimba Sadrisham Anyat and Swantargatam Pratibimbam. There also Swantargatatva Matram Kalpayati. So here two things are Kalpita. Pratibimba is also Kalpita. Swantargatatvam, Darpanasthatvam is also Kalpitam. Iti Ashaya. Tathacha Uktamata Bhedena Pratibimbasya. So understood the differences. Okay, understood the Panktis first. So it is neither Sat nor Asat nor Sadasat. That category. Anirvachaniya. Swamiji, it is inexplicable. Like Maya. So you see, this is the most explanation that you have ever seen of this yet. And I don't think there is much more. In Vichar Sagar, I had explained, there also it is given, more or less it is similar. There is little less than this. What is given here, there it is less. But in Vichar Sagar, Sanskrit Vichar Sagar, they have pointed out. What were you saying? And Abhasavada is not clear. Abhasavada is just like that the reflection is mithya. Abhasavada, the only main difference is that in Pratibimbavada, Pratibimba as Bimbam is Satyam. In Abhasavada, Pratibimba is mithya. It is like Pratibhasika Sarpa. In other words, so between Abhasavada and Pratibimbavada, there is not much difference. And remember, Pratibimbavada, Padmapadacharya ji might have hinted something in his Panchapadika. It is the Vivaranakara who brought it out and made it as a proper Siddhanta. So, and that's why it is always called Vivarana Prasthana. And here also Vivaranakara. Panchapadikakar, Padmapadacharya ji didn't do much. And Vivaranakar actually came after Sureshwaracharya ji. Because Sureshwaracharya ji was Bhagavan Shankaracharya ji's contemporary only. Afterwards, Vivaranakar came. And if you study Vartik, like Brahat Vartik, it is this Abhasavada. Or in Naishkarmya Siddhi also. And generally, if somebody will ask in which text there is Vivarana Prasthana, right? So you will not know, because generally people don't study Vivarana Grantha. And if you study Bhagavan Shankaracharya ji's works, whether it is Atma Bodha or Vivek Chudamani, etc., Pratibimba Drashtanta is there. But there is no clarity whether it is talking about Pratibimba as Satyam or Mithya or which way. And nobody will say Pratibimba is Satyam as Pratibimba. Pratibimba as Pratibimba is Mithya only. Pratibimba as Bimba is Satyam. So this point also has to become clear. Actually, in Naishkarmya Siddhi, this point is also brought in by Sureshwaracharya. But anyway, now I will try to give you little different thing about these two mata, what I have understood. Okay? If we say Pratibimba as Bimba is Satyam, this is Vivarana Prasthan, and Pratibimba is Mithya as in Abhasa Vada. So then the Vakya Aham Brahmasmi, how will a Vivaranakar Mata Anuyayi will understand Aham Brahmasmi versus an Abhasavadin will understand Aham Brahmasmi? So the way I understood this is this way. In Vivaranakar Mata, between Aham and Brahma, there will be Mukhya Samanadhikaranya. Now you don't ask me what is Mukhya Samanadhikaranya. This is already known. Okay? I am also assuming that you know what is Mukhya Samanadhikaranya. So, Aham and Brahma, Aham is Brahma according to Vivaranakar Mata. In Abhasavada, it is Bada Samanadhikaranya. Means in Mukhya Samanadhikaranya, you have already negated the Antakarana part when you understand Aham. So, Aham is always understood as the Lakshyartha Aham to begin with. Then when Aham is Lakshyartha, Aham Brahmasmi is clear. Aham Brahma. Lakshyartha Aham is Brahma. Whereas in Abhasavada Prakriya, Aham is accepted as Vachyartha with Upadhi. And therefore you have to do Badha Samanadhikaranya, you have to do Badha of Upadhi. Then you come to Brahma. So because then you come to Aham Pada Lakshyartha, and that Lakshyartha is Brahma. In this way, I understood that this is how we can understand the difference. Because both kind of Samanadhikaranyas are there, Mukhya and Badha Samanadhikaranya. So, Pratibimba Vadin, they expect that you already are able to negate the Pratibimba and the Darpana. And therefore, straight away you can come to Aham Brahmasmi. And Vartikara says, well, means he comes down one step and he says, look, most people, they are going to give reality to their mind. So let us do Badha Samanadhikaranya. Let us go with this Pratibimba and then later tell them this is Mithya. So this is how I understood. Now if you ask me where this is shared, so I am not sure whether in Siddhanta Lesha Sangraha I read it some in this way or not, or I on my own have understood in this way, but you feel free to understand in whichever way you understand. Okay. Now he shows that there is not much difference. See. Tathacha uktamata bhedena pratibhimbasya satyatvam va astu mithyatvam va astu pratibimba swarupe na vivada. In these two mata bheda, whether pratibimba has satyatvam or mithyatvam, that there is pratibimba, in that there is no vivada. Okay? Tathacha manasi yat chit pratibimbam tat sambandhena jadasyapi manasah pramatratvam upapadyate. And tathacha manasi, in the mind, yat chit pratibimbam, whatever that chit pratibimba is there, tat sambandhena, so with the association of this chit pratibimba, the jada mind also can get pramatratvam. Jadasyapi manasah pramatratvam upapadyate. Just as yatha jale patitam Surya Pratibhimbam Chakasti. The sun which is getting reflected in the water is shining. Tat sambandh Chakasti. Tat Pratibimba sambandhena cha jalam api tat Chakasti iti. And because of that, if the reflection is shining, then the water is also going to shine. Iti evam jalasya prakasha sambandho drishyate. So jalasthaniya is mind and it comes in contact with chit pratibimba. Therefore, pramatritva is possible in mind. But you remember, if there is a painted picture with sun, then there is no shine. But if reflection is there, then there is shine. So this is the difference. Tathatra manasaha swantargata chit pratibimba sambandhena prakasha sambandha. So in this way, here of the mind also, swantargata sambandhena chit pratibimba sambandhena prakasha sambandha. So mind also in it, because there is chit pratibimba associated with that, mind also gets prakasha. What is prakasha? Prakasha evacha jnanamiti. Chaitanyamiti cha vyavaharyate. Prakasham means jnanam, means chaitanya. So in this way, mind also gets chaitanya. So chaitanya is appearing as reflection in mind. Therefore, mind in the form of like water is also shining. It has jnanam. Ato manaso jnatritvam upapadyate. Therefore, mind has jnatritvam, pramatritvam. Chitaha pratibhimbam hi chit sadrisham bodharupam. Chitaha pratibhimbam, chaitanyasya pratibhimbam, the reflection of consciousness, is like chaitanya, chit sadrisham. It is bodharupam, it is jnana swarupam. Tadrisha bodharupa pratibhimba ashrayatvad antakaranam bodhri pramatri iti cha uchyate. And therefore, tadrisha bodharupam, the chaitanya is bodha swarupa and its pratibimba which is available in antakarana. So therefore antakarana becomes bodha pramata iti cha uchyate. Here we will stop. Next is Nanu, another Purvapaksha is starting. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaja Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om